So I just pulled the starter out. I think that's a lot of clutch material in there. Check out that transmission, y'all.
Why we lose, reason why we lose.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. I know it's been months since I uploaded, but your boy's gonna try something new. I just bought a GoPro 12. I have a TikTok where I post what I do at work, and I work on cars, and that thing took off, so I just wanted to give it a go for YouTube. Really love working on cars. We're gonna be working on the Subaru Impreza. Say what's up to my coworkers, my boy Robert, my boy Barrett. You wanna shout yourself out, bro? So this car has a problem with the transmission. For some reason, when I start it, it won't go into any gears and it won't move. Start the car. It's fine, right? I can go to gear without putting the clutch in. See that, guys? The wheels aren't moving. Let's go ahead and start the teardown on this car. I just watched a YouTube video on how to do this, so we're gonna knock it out real quick. Switch you guys to the POV cam. Say hi, bro. You're on YouTube. Hi. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get this started. All right, step one is done. All right, we gotta take out this intake here, or intercooler actually, right now. So you guys remembered, you know, I didn't even drop that video yet. So there's a video I made with the TLX explaining that I got a new job. Fortunately, I left that job. Now I work at another Acura. More pay. Oh, come on. Here we go. All right. What's up? All right, brother. We do have to take the axles out, but I want to make sure that take care of the hard stuff first. The axles shouldn't be that bad. I'm all over the place. There we go. Let's go take out the other wheel. I have to leave this shit organized, man. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh, he got the glizzies. Oh, nice. We're 13 minutes into this. We're back to the normal camera. I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown of what I'm gonna take off. I'm gonna have to take off this exhaust, of course. They welded this shit. I'm gonna have to drop the whole exhaust, unfortunately. Cheating there.
Knocking this shit out.
Hell yeah, brother. We got one O2 sensor right there. That's about it. And then once we get that out, we can focus on the axles. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get this out in like an hour, bro. Finally got the exhaust off, thanks to my lovely assistants. See that? It's like welded. So dumb. Maybe I might have been able to take it out from here, but whatever. Whatever. Let's continue on. Now I'm just gonna tackle the connectors. 2 right there I need to take out, I think. Looks like I can just leave that bracket hanging. There's a ground. Right there, you guys see the ground? You gonna do that, and then the starter, and we'll be good. Just pulled the starter out. I think that's a lot of clutch material in there. Even though that the clutch is clearly done, I'm still gonna pull the transmission out because I got tear down time for this. I got 6 hours, and then the transmission pays 8. I might as well just take the time to pull the transmission out, okay? Oh. We need to take out that speed sensor too. I don't want to break that shit. We'll just get this one loose and crack the bottom one. I'm not gonna fully take it off yet. And I did drain the transmission fluid, if you guys are wondering. What the hell? That's not 19 now? Probably a 20? I think it was a 20. No, it's not that. No, it's not an 18. Is that a 19? It is a 19. That's weird. Let's crack this loose. Alright, and then there should be one more 10 for the speed sensor. So this one looks like it's not going to come out. There we go. A little side-to-side action. Boom. Let's go get the other side ready too. Come with me, roll cart. Huh? Dude, what the fuck? Oh, hell no. Yeah, that's not coming out. I know a way around this. Well, that 12 is not coming out, guys. As long as I get the speed sensor out, it'll be fine. I'm pretty much just wiggling the speed sensor side to side. Look, there we go. I guess we'll take this 12 off up here. Now we got some slack on this. Oh shit. gotta push the axles out, but I think we should be fine. This hammer right here, I found it when I worked at Hyundai. Car came in for a noise concern about knocking noise, and I shit you not, I found this when I lifted up the intake, or the engine cover. It was on top of the intake. Look at that. Out. Okay, cool. Okay, got that out. Oh shit. You guys watched my first coilover install video? You guys remember I got stuck on this bolt right here. I thought it would snap in half. Good times, good times. Get out of there. Oh. Alright. That's out. Now I need to like finesse this. That. Okay. There we go. Oh, that hit you guys? Sorry. You see, it has like a little lip right here, and that's how I was able to get the axle out. Alright, axles are out. You want to blow me? Maybe. It's only a blower motor, y'all. This guy got the jokes.
Can I watch from the corner?
Yeah, man.
No, fucking tell me about it.
Well, that wasn't supposed to happen on the video, guys. On there, all you gotta do is push it forward, bring it out like this. Okay, so I made a little oopsies. I did not have to take this out, so I'm gonna put that back. The only thing I need to remove are these two bolts. There's one there, and then another one here. For the shifting linkage, there's a nut up there. So I'm just gonna remove all that shit, and then get back to you guys when it's time to drop the transmission. Oh, make it easier if you guys do undo these 14s or 17, I don't even know what size it is at this point. Yeah, let's go ahead and get this done. Uh-oh, they got the copyright music in the back. I'm just playing. I don't really care. We're almost there, boys. All we gotta do is just go backwards with this, and then we're good. And we're gonna get the victory royale. Make sure this shit's on there good. I do not want this to slide off and then ruin this beautiful floor. When this slides off, hit my face, that shit looks up too. All right, there we go. See that, guys? Took a little age of persuasion. Let's get this down.
There we go.
Oh, shit.
Told you.
There you go, guys. That's how you take out your transmission. And now we're gonna inspect this clutch, even though we know what the result is. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Ouch. Yeah, clutch got blown out.
Bro, this thing has so much play in it. I don't know if it's supposed to feel like this.
Yeah, that bearing's down.
Appreciate it. Check out that transmission, y'all. Got some dog hair too. Nah, it's clutch material. Ooh, that thing looks so old. I don't really know too much about clutches, but I'm sure when we take it apart, it's not gonna look like what it's supposed to look like. This dowel pin is what I was stuck on, so I did not forget a bolt. This thing was just so corroded in there, I guess. Let's see. Nah, it's probably been in there for a while. Yep, there you go, guys. I really want to edit this video, so I'm gonna make this part 1, and then part 2 will come around when the transmission and clutch comes in, so I'm gonna record that process. I feel like this video is long enough already. I don't have any parts right here. After this car, I have a Buick. We're gonna be doing a evaporator core on that, so taking apart the dash. So I think I will get that going. And then I have a Jeep that I'm doing lifters on because they're making noise. Just took the valve covers off, made one cam lobe up, and then I was able to wiggle the lifter and the rocker arm. So we got some bangers coming out for y'all, and I'm gonna try to make sure they're edited really nice and not boring. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this thing back together and then push it out after I get my pictures. All right, you guys, day's over with. I'm ready to go home and edit this video. If you guys found it entertaining, subscribe if you want to see more. Hopefully I'm not misdiagnosing shit and you know, dropping some stupid content, but I like to say that out of my 2 years experience of being a master loot tech foreman, I can handle myself okay with cars. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for that content. You know, it's fun doing these POV videos, but it's also stressful too because I gotta worry about if these shots and angles are good. But you know, that's just for me to worry about. You guys just sit back and relax while I make it happen. I'll see you guys on the next video. I still have some of the TLX content to edit actually, and some more vlogs, so I need to get to that, and then we'll upload this. I might drop this first honestly because it's just pretty cool. But yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Peace.